Does not hang on Sloopy.
No,
Right,
it's
no,
not.
wait.
And Andre's,
I
he's
don't like the
plugging
sound
his
of
ears
this.
because
There's
he
just
just.
something about that. I just don't like the sound
Well,
of
you
that.
lost the bet, so now you got to pay up.
Is that what it is?
Yes, that's the Virginia Tech
Ooh.
It's like-
marching band
Is it
music.
Yes, it's 95 degrees out, and Andre has the knee highs
yeah,
on or
here are
something.
the socks. Oh, you've got to get the, look, there we go.
Oh, wow. Are
Yeah,
you going to do the weather in your socks?
Well, I'm going to do the weather in my socks.
Those are
but let me
Virginia
show
Tech
you.
socks.
Come on up here because I want to show you. It's got the VT on the side, but I'm wearing them only because, see the VT right there?
Ah,
I'm
you
wearing them
lost the
only
bet.
because I thought these were Vermont socks. VT, you know?
No, Liberty
They're
played Virginia Tech. You
Yeah.
made a bet. Liberty lost. Your son attends Liberty.
Yeah,
My
and
alma
our very
mater
good
as well.
friends. We've got dear friends for over 3 decades whose son went to Virginia Tech, and we had the thing going. So,
Now you got your socks on. All right.
So I'm gonna do the
I
weather
thought
in
maybe you
this-
were trying to match my dress or something, you know?
yeah. Well,
Got
we do
orange on,
match.
We got our orange
Yeah.
on.
Stop.
Those are some stinky
Stop.
socks, huh?
They're not. Well, they are stinky socks because they're Virginia Tech
Tech.
socks.
Exactly.
I thought it was Vermont. Oh well. Okay, here we go.
Do it.
In stocking feet, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to watch some thunderstorms way off in the distance. I'm going to come into the image here, and you can see the thunderstorms bubbling up. There's a pretty good thunderhead. Where are these? Would you believe they're way up in Ontario, Canada, near Detroit and Lake St. Clair. There's one near Port-au-Prince and drifting to the southeast. We've got some others here, but as I mentioned in the first weather segment, less than 3% really of the viewing area. The thunderstorms that we can actually see from Burke Lakefront, way up here in Detroit, up towards Spring Harbor and Port Huron and Ontario, and just west of Ann Arbor. We do have some lightning. Most of the lightning is actually concentrated up in here near Detroit and east of Pittsburgh. Nothing right now anywhere in Ohio, even though we do have a few spotty tropical-like showers with current temperature of 91. Ooh, yeah, it's toasty, and we saw temperatures shoot up even higher than that for a little while today. I saw 93. Let's see what the high was. We'll find out in the next weather block. 93 in Findlay, and that is the warm spot right now, and dew points just in that tropical category with near 70 and 71 there in Dayton and 69 right there in Columbus. All right, 74. We've got that Key West humidity thing going on tonight. Isolated thunderstorms, but only here and there, and that's only going to aid to keep moisture in the atmosphere, not really cool it down. Tomorrow, changeable skies. Here we go. We're going to get close to the front tomorrow. Here comes the front. It's finally on the move. Remnants from Hermine is out of here. So now things are starting to progress. Look at the showers and thunderstorms beginning to build up. And so best chance tomorrow. Get a little break and notice a reduction in the temperature to 82 and then 80 on Saturday. Another front comes by. Watch what happens. Slowly but surely, we begin to see the jet stream kind of pushing down. Here's the next batch of cooler air, and we'll follow it as it moves in this weekend. Looks like Sunday will be pretty nice. If we see any cloud cover hang on to early Sunday, that should be gone by afternoon with sunshine predominating. 71, much drier, dew points in the 40s and 50s, much more comfortable. And we keep it there. It'll stay in the 70s, perhaps even lower late next week with that next front on Wednesday. So congratulations to Virginia Tech. I have fulfilled my obligations dutifully in my stocking
You need
feet.
to send that clip to your friends.
Yeah, they're watching live
Like-
right now.
Oh, are they?
Careful how
I'd
you
like to
bet.
They're
use
watching
your
live.
feet to
Hello.
point at the temperatures there. That was pretty.
Well, VT and Liberty
impressive.
are, you know, they're like sister schools, so there's camaraderie there.
Yeah.
Except between you and
Well, yeah.
friends that you bet.
Thanks so much.